Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make New England clam chowder. First, render about 4 ounces of salt pork or bacon in a large pot until it's nice and crispy. Remove the crispy bits, leaving the fat. Next, sauté 1 cup of diced onion and half a cup of celery in that flavorful fat until they are soft and translucent. Then, whisk in 1/4 cup of flour, followed by 2 cups of clam juice and 2 cups of whole milk, stirring until smooth. Now, it's time to add the heart of the chowder. Carefully add 2 cups of peeled and diced potatoes to the pot. Let them simmer gently until they are fork tender, which usually takes about 15 to 20 minutes. Once the potatoes are cooked, stir in 16 ounces of chopped clams along with their flavorful liquid. Season your chowder with 1 teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of white pepper to taste. For that signature New England creaminess, stir in 1 cup of heavy cream or half and half. It's crucial to heat the chowder gently after adding the cream. Avoid bringing it to a rolling boil, as this can cause the cream to curdle. Just let it warm through, allowing all the flavors to meld beautifully. Finally, garnish your rich, creamy chowder with fresh chopped parsley and a handful of oyster crackers. Your authentic New England clam chowder is now ready to enjoy. Serve it piping hot in bowls, perhaps alongside some crusty bread for dipping or a fresh side salad. For an extra kick, consider adding a dash of your favorite hot sauce or a sprinkle of paprika. It truly elevates the experience. And hey, while you're enjoying this delicious meal, remember to stay hydrated. Check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.